I'm going to walk you through how to get Fortnite on iPad. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to help the channel grow. We're going to go ahead and head forward into App Store. So once you're into App Store, you're going to search for Xbox, and then you go ahead, you download it. After downloading it, you're going to go ahead and open your Xbox right here. So once you open, it's going to pop up for you to create an account. So you click right here on sign in / sign up. So I already have an account, that's why this suggestion is actually coming up for me to log in. But if you don't have an account, you're just going to go ahead and choose sign in with a different account. Then you're going to go ahead and pump up the option create an account. So you click on create an account to go ahead and create your Xbox account. So I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and log in into my account. What you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to go ahead and go to your Safari browser. So once into your Safari browser, you're going to come to the fortnite.com website right here. So I'm actually in the fortnite.com website. So you go ahead and search for Fortnite here. Once I search for Fortnite, it's going to go ahead and pop up right here. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on download now. So once I click on download now, I can see here play Fortnite, Amazon Luna, Xbox, Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now. So you can go ahead and choose any of these. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Xbox Cloud Gaming. So once I click on it, you can see it pop up the option play now. So I click on play now. Then it's going to go ahead and say get ready to play. So right now I could click on get ready to play. You see pop up the option. I should go ahead and add this on my home screen. So I'm going to click on this download button right up here, and then now I'm going to go ahead and click on add to home screen. Here it says cloud gaming, and then now you go ahead and add that to your home screen. Now you can come down to your home screen right here, you click on cloud gaming. So once you click on it, it's going to go ahead again and pop for you to sign in. So you click on sign in. So right here I'm just going to go ahead and insert my email. So after signing in with my email, it's going to go ahead and pop up wherever you see this green option to go ahead and play Fortnite. So you're going to see go ahead and play Fortnite. But Fortnite is not currently, this is not currently available in my region, but if it's available in your region, you can just go ahead and play.